I lost that footage, I think, of that boss fight. So, better watch that on YouTube. Not for me. Sorry. YouTube is messed up. If I leave, it just gets messed up. I don't. I had to stay there. Be boring. And so I lost that footage. So watch that on YouTube. That's not gonna happen. I'm not gonna put it up again because that's too tiring. I'm not gonna do it. Maybe I will come back to that on co-op mode, but I think we already skipped that part. Maybe on 3-player mode, because there's 2-player mode with my friend, and there's another friend, so that's 3. So, whatever. Okay, bye.